Learn the secret sauce that will teach you how top producers all over the country, nobody knows this. Well, if nobody knows it, that means the crap don't work. I've got 25,000, 30,000 realtors utilizing the Dream Home Finder, utilizing all of our approaches that are getting them listings, getting them closings every single month. That's where you need to go. You got to get away from the hype, and you have to use stuff that's going to create a meaningful impact in your real estate business. The problem we have is we get distractions all day long. So if you're spending time researching, learning, I don't know, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Well, I'm not sure what I should do. Well, I don't have a lot of money right now. Well, I just had a closing. Maybe I can spend a little money on it. Where are you going with your real estate business? You don't need hyped up. You need a system that's going to generate revenue for you. But I want you to think about, what is the path you are taking, me or otherwise, that you know for certain this is going to get me where I need to be. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.